Cool. Aperture, sunbeams. First thing, let's talk about what is aperture. It's your lens opening, and that affects two things. Number one, light. Number two, depth of field. So if you think my hand is out of focus, my face is in focus, we're shooting at 1.8, so that's a really shallow depth of field. If you want a deep depth of field, you want to be shooting at f11 plus. And what we're going to look at now is the effect of aperture on sunbeams. Here it's shot at f8 and you can see some sunbeams, and here it's shot at f22 and really pronounced sunbeams. During midday you'll see that even more, but generally I wouldn't want to shoot at the sun in midday because it looks pretty terrible, to be honest. So that is the difference. If you want to catch really clear sunbeams, shoot at like f11 plus. If you want to have just a glow, then shoot below f8 and away you go.